This is Zicrhu Daf Simanim Gemara Sanhedrin Daf Mem Dalid, and Mem Dalid, of course, is spell it out mud. So we have 3 points centering around Mud. We have a general, and you see his army, unfortunately, is defeated, but yet they're still called Klal Yisrael. Klal Yisrael, Afal Bishechata, falling in the mud, dirtied by the mud. Still, we're called Klal Yisrael. And of course, we see the base medrash of Umka Shel Halacha. Atabasi, Yeshua is told, why was he brought, why did the Malach come now? Because Gadol Talmud Torah Yoser Ba'Kravas Tamidim, you Mevatel Tami, that was bad. But being Mevatel Talmud Torah is even worse. He stayed up all night learning. And finally, point number 3 is the soldiers davened before the next battle. Adam, Tfila Litzara. So the Mem Daled in Sanhedrin, the mud. We're down, we're dirtied, we're out, but still we're called Klal Yisrael. Yeshua fell, Yeshua made a mistake. We could also say he fell in the mud. Bittul Torah, but he went base medrash Umka Shel Halacha, and the soldiers are told, don't get muddy, first daven before the next battle. So point number 1, Hashem tells Yeshua why Klal Yisrael was defeated at Ai. He said Chata Yisrael. Rabbi Verzavda says Yisrael, even though they sin, they're still called. Their kedusha still remains. Says Rav Abba Hainu Damri Inchi Asa Dekoi Beni Khalifa, a myrtle amongst widows. Asa Shemev Asa Karle. It's always called a Hadas. Klal Yisrael always is Yisrael. Even after all the Averas, even being dirtied in the mud on Daf Mem Dalid, the mud of Sanhedrin. And of course, point number 2 is Atabasi. What happens? The Malach appears to Yeshua and says, yesterday Mervatel Talmud Shbein Abayim, and today Mervatel Talmud Torah. Says Yeshua, which one did you come from? And the Malach gives those critical words. Atabasi, I came now for the Bittul Talmud Torah. Immediately, what did Yeshua do? He stayed up all night. V'yolin Yeshua b'leila ahu b'toicha emek. What was the emek? Says Rav Yechanan. Shelon b'umkei shel halacha. Rav says Gadol Talmud Torah Yosem ha'kravas talmidim. As we see, the Malach only came Atabasi for the Talmud Torah. And point number 3 is the soldiers, before they get muddied, are told, go daven first. Eve's friend said to him, Herach shuach loy basar, says Rav Elazar, lo yaktim adam tefila litzara. Why, if Avram and Adavin before the trouble between Beis El and I, lo nishtayim Yisha Yisrael started to pull it, there would be nothing left of Klal Yisrael. Rizal says the pasuk says, Kol ma'ami tatzim v'v'til milmata, you push yourself in this world, ein lo tzarim milmata, no enemies above. Rav Yechanan says, Olim yakir adam rachman davin, she'akol Ma'amsin es koichai, the Malach Yeshar should strengthen him. Value loy tzarim mil malo. So that Mem Dalid, the mud in Sanhedrin, even though the soldiers have fallen, the general has fallen, but yet we are still Klal Yisrael, Afal Bishachata Yisrael, and Yeshua. After he is punished, the Malach comes Atabasi. He came now not for the Kravas Talmidim that he's mevatel, but the Bittul Torah. We see Torah is even greater than the Bittul of Tamid. And finally, Lodim Yaktiv on them Tefillah Litzara. The soldiers are told to daven before the next battle. Gemara Daf Mem Dalid in